Hello, good morning, students. Today we will learn about conjunction or connectors. Conjunctions. A conjunction is a word used to join single words or groups of words. There are two main types of conjunctions. The first, coordinating conjunctions. The second, correlative conjunctions. There is a third type of conjunctions, the subordinating conjunctions, but you will only need to be concerned with coordinating and correlative conjunctions. For this particular exam, unless you are in honors and coordinating conjunctions, always connect items of the same kind, items of the same grammatical functions, such as to adjective or to prepositional phrase, etc. Sometimes coordinating conjunctions join single words or they may join groups of words. And then coordinating conjunctions in here, the first and, for, pat, had, or, so, nur. And then for example of coordinating conjunctions, you can make the sentence such in here. For example, the first, I like apples and orange. And the second, I did not call or write my mother. And then the boy was nice but strange. And then I wrote down his phone number, but he lost it. And then I want to go to sleep, for I was tired. And the last, I was tired, so I went to sleep. And correlative conjunctions also connect items of same kind. However, unlike the coordinating conjunctions, correlative are used in pairs. Correlative conjunction in here, for example, used but and either or not only but also neither nor whether or. For example of correlative conjunction in here, the first, Pat, Bert and Ernie were funny characters. And the second, we want to go not only to Disneyland but also to Universal. And the third, either we will buy it now or we will wait for the next sale. And the last example, neither my mom nor my dad will allow me to go to the party. Content connected by coordinating conjunction must be parallel. They must belong to the same grammatical category. For example, in here, adjective, adverb, noun phrase, verb phrase, infinitive or gerund phrase. The Italian film Life is Beautiful made me both laugh and cry. It contained not only comic but also tragic scenes. Either my father or my mother will meet me at the airport. Neither my father nor my mother will meet me at the airport. And subordinating conjunction is used to introduce an adverb clause. Subordinating conjunctions are used to connect elements with different grammatical functions, usually a dependent and independent clause. In here, common subordinating conjunction. In here, the first, after, although, as if, as long as soon as, because, before, even though, if, in order that, on, since, so that, though, unless, until, when, whenever, where, wherever, whether, while. And then, for example of subordinating conjunctions, you can make the sense such in here. For example, the first, when the bell rings, the student must be prepared to work. And second, I am sure that the teacher will allow them more time to study. And the third, since the cat ran away, the girl has been depressed and lethargic. And the last example, unless you study the part of speech, you will never understand grammar. Use paired coordinating conjunctions. Say something constructive. Don't say anything at all. Either and or. Americans pay income tax. They are charged high sales tax in some states. And then not only or but also. He didn't ask for permission. He didn't give me an explanation of his action. Use neither or nor. Okay, I think enough to learn this morning. So, well done. Goodbye.